Now, we will connect here, Matan. Place the single resistor, straight and straight, and check at both ends of the circuit, one to the right and one to the left. Okay? Look at the single resistor. We have 5 volts, so it is fine. Let's check the capacitor connected to the connection. We will also check the capacitor to see if the 5 volts pass through it, so I know it is also functioning properly and outputting 5 volts, ensuring everything is in order.